Hey, frequent flyers! Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore the world, there are always new tips and tricks to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Ever wondered what insider tips flight attendants have up their sleeves? As a professional, we spend countless hours in the air and have seen it all, so we know a thing or two about making travel more efficient and comfortable. Well, buckle up because I'm about to spill the tea on the top travel tips straight from the skies. First up, let's talk about timing. Always take the first flight of the day. This might mean setting your alarm for an ungodly hour, but trust me, it's worth it. Yes, it might be a bit of a struggle to wake up at the crack of dawn, but those early flights are almost always on time. The air traffic is lighter, and the chances of delays are significantly reduced. Trust me, it's worth it. Next, let's discuss the importance of direct flights. Always fly direct whenever you can. It might seem like a no-brainer, but the convenience of a direct flight cannot be overstated. Layovers can be a gamble, and missing a connection can turn your trip into a nightmare. Imagine being stuck in an unfamiliar airport, scrambling to find another flight. A direct flight might be a bit more pricey, but it's often worth the peace of mind. You get to your destination faster and with less hassle. If your trip is less than 5 hours by car, consider driving. This might seem counterintuitive, but hear me out. By the time you factor in getting to the airport, security lines, and potential delays, driving can often be quicker and less stressful. Plus, you have the freedom to stop whenever you want. Now, I get it, we all love a bargain. Who doesn't want to save a few bucks on airfare? But think twice about the cheapest fare. Sometimes the lowest price comes with hidden costs. Those budget airlines might save you a few bucks, but they often come with hidden fees and less legroom. You might end up paying more for things like baggage, seat selection, or food and snacks. Sometimes it's better to pay a little extra for comfort. Don't overpack. This is a common mistake many travelers make. Seriously, you don't need 3 pairs of shoes for a weekend trip. Pack versatile clothing that you can mix and match. Keep it simple and save yourself the hassle of lugging around a giant suitcase. Always bring a sweater. This might seem like a small thing, but it can make a big difference. Planes can get chilly, and those little blankets don't always cut it. A sweater can keep you warm and cozy. Plus, a sweater can double as a pillow in a pinch. Here's a big one. Don't tell the flight attendant they look tired. We're working hard to make your flight enjoyable, and hearing that isn't exactly a morale booster. Instead, show appreciation for their hard work. A simple thank you goes a long way. One of the most important tips: patience. Travel can be unpredictable, and things don't always go as planned. Flights get delayed, luggage gets lost, and tempers can flare. A positive attitude can make those unexpected delays a bit more bearable. And a quick PSA: that's not water on the floor in the bathroom. Enough said. Be careful where you step. If possible, leave a day early if you have an important event to get to. Flights can get delayed or canceled, and giving yourself an extra day can save you a lot of stress. Imagine missing a wedding or a crucial business meeting because of a flight delay. Lastly, don't be the drunk on the plane. It is okay to have a drink, just don't overdo it. Nobody likes a drunk. So there you have it, my top travel tips from a flight attendant. Whether you're flying for business or pleasure, these tips will help you navigate the skies like a pro. So pack your bags, grab your boarding pass, and get ready for an adventure. Follow these tips, and your next trip should be smooth flying. Safe travels, and see you in the skies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel list.